guys, this is Ashley and today I'm gonna play Doors with some strangers, I guess. Why is this taking so long? Anyways, excuse me. Okay, my voice sounds horrible because I just woke up. That's why my voice is so deep. And you may badly hear my voice. Yeah. Oh. Oh, you got it. I'm not really good at doors, but like I'll try my best, okay? If I die in this, I will be sure to make another one, but like I will be the only one who's playing it. So bruh. Okay, that nothing's there. I felt like I heard, I felt like I heard it. The sick or something like that. Well, eventually I feel like I'm lost. I need help. Oh, okay. I'll be waiting here. Do you guys hear like a clicking sound? Yeah, that's my fan. I'm sorry. Where is the liver? Okay. There we go. Nothing's there. Hey. It's definitely coming. Oh no. Mr. Bacon died. Poor Bacon. Wait, is this the pathway where like that weird thing comes? Don't tell me that. Hopefully it's not. Okay, it's not. Thank God. Nothing's there. Oh my God. Let me see if I can catch on fire. Cops. So sad. Bro! Idiot! How dare you leave me? What is that? What is this? I don't know. Wait, did that guy leave me? What the heck? I hate that thing. Never mind. Do I see a thing? No. Except I see that now it's okay. I hate these idiotic eyes that always follow us. Like, ew. Just a little too gross. Bro, this guy is leaving me abandoned. Wait, what door was this again? 30. Okay, we always gotta remember the door names. Where am I? Okay, there we got the door. This is super scary for me. I don't know why. Where's this idiot? Did he leave me again? No. No, he left me, didn't he? What place is this? Wait, what? I wanna like go there. But then I can't. Wait, yeah. The door. We got the key over here. That guy did not check the down part. Oh wait, he did. So is the key? Oh, okay. The key is literally right there. Idiot. Wait, why you already opened? But I hate you. No, not right here. Okay. I suck at this, but I'll try my best. Great. Wait, this guy so cool, bro. But anyways, I'll be trying again. Y'all, we're back. I got some sour candy. So whenever the rush thing comes, I'm gonna get this guy and that guy. 150. Okay. No speed, thank you. Your pads. Read that. Okay. Oh yeah. Thanks. Whenever I have to hide in the wardrobe, I'll be eating like half of them. Because it's too sour and I can't help myself. Get me the coin. Thank you. Nothing else over here. What happened? Hold on. I have seen some TikToks saying that you might get precious stuff over here. Like in this floor. So like, let's just try it. Okay, hold on. Can you do something over here? No. But anyways. At least I get some coins. That's good, right? Right? Anyways, I'm gonna go here and do that. Yay. We're gonna take coins. It sounds weird when I say coins. Coins. Croissants. Okay, what do we have here? Never mind. Imagine staying at this place. Okay, what is this? Always wanted to do this, but like I don't know what this is, so like I can't do anything. You get what I'm saying? Okay, what is inside this? Not that! Broski, not that. Shut up. Stop it. What's this? The frickin' this. What is this? Like this like a suitcase. Anyways. The photo just appeared by itself. Just gotta leave that. And then I'm gonna go over here. Through the sides. I got a heart attack. Band-aid. Oh. I need a freaking band-aid. Are the lights flickering or something? No, they aren't. No. I'm just scared. Come over here, I gotta go back. I didn't do that. So like, why not just stay here? Until all those light flickers. I'm scared, that's why I'm doing this. I don't mind the lights are not flickering. Never mind, I was wrong. Why do you have to make me get a heart attack? I don't know why. You're so mean. You guys are so mean. I felt like I heard the pist. Seems that I didn't. Like, what's inside that? Okay. The most probable place that I might die is is like the Seek. You know the obstacle course? Yeah, that place. It's like kind of hard for me. I'm not gonna lie, it is the hardest place for me. Okay, that's the okay. Okay, never mind. Never mind. I am supposed to stay there. Wait, yeah, up. Those taste so good. Why Sour Patch candies should be so soft? I can't even talk properly. Ew. Disgusting. Anyway, stack. I don't know why it got to be so disgusting, but yeah. And my stupid neck hurts so bad. Ah. What do we do now? Do we go inside that? Okay. You don't gotta do me like this. I'm just like anxious. I have never seen this room before. This room reminds me of the Diabolic Club. Oh wait, never mind. Yeah. Yes. But I'm gonna eat another one. You can hear this wrinkling, right? Oh my gosh. I'm supposed to get out. Should I go this side or that side? I forgot. No. Hold on. And I don't. Yes, I am. Indeed, I am. I hate y'all. Not y'all, but like. This is the part where I'm gonna die, and I'm choosing you. 22. 23. And there we go. You. Not this. No, I'm going back. Oh Lord. Christ, save me. I'm screwed. I'm screwed. Oh wait, never mind. I thought it was the place where like that thing Jesus. And we gotta like run. I see some obstacles. Wow, thank you. Nope. Weird, disgusting thing. Why is it dark? Wait, there isn't any wardrobe. Yeah. I was right. Take another one. Hold on. I'm sorry. Look, I need water. Sadly, I didn't bring it. 34. This. Oh wait, no mind. Right. Well, the light's definitely flickers and I need help. The lights did not flicker? How is this possible? I mean, I swear I saw the lights flicker. I hate this. I have having a little heart attack. That's why I can't talk. I'm an anxiety person. Okay, so yeah. No. Not again. No. Not again. I'm dead. Yep. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Now you guys know that I'm ruthless and I cannot finish this game. I cannot go after this. Like, it's too hard for me. But yeah. Thank you guys for watching this, and I will be posting another video today. So be sure to subscribe and like, share, I guess. Yeah. Okay, bye.